Hello, we're at 1605 Clay, and this is apartment 12. So right when you open the unit door, you come into a large living room. This unit has original softwood floors throughout, with the exception of the bathroom, which has tile floor. Nice big bay window here. This is a corner building, so we are right on Clay at 16th Street in Uptown, Oakland. You will see the living room, and each bedroom has a heater. So there's the dedicated heater for the living room. Straight ahead, we've got the breaker box and the thermostat. Here is our beautiful updated kitchen. Tons of cabinet space. We have a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom. Dishwasher, disposal, double farmhouse sink, a glass top electric stove, and a microwave. There are butcher block countertops and this really great white subway tile backsplash. I also wanted to point out that this particular building has internet service through a great local company called Monkey Brains. So we have information in the unit about that, should you decide to become a resident here with us. Moving into the bathroom, double sinks. Got 2 drawers under each sink for storage. Matching subway tile here in the bathroom, so the style is consistent here between the kitchen and bathroom. Have a rain shower head. This cabinet here has on-demand hot water, so endless on-demand hot water. And then here is the in-unit washer dryer. Okay, coming into the bedroom. Heater here for the bedroom. We have a great crown molding detail here around the ceiling. And double closet. This bedroom, I think you could do queen size best, queen size bed, queen or a full. Okay, and then coming into the other room, this room could be a home office or it could be a converted second bedroom. Here's the heater for this room. If somebody would like, we can create a closet in this nook here in the bedroom. Well, office or converted bedroom, so your choice. But we can box that out and turn that into closet space if somebody would rather use this as a bedroom. But many people are working from home right now, so I know home office is also an appealing option. Point is, there's flexibility. Okay, coming back out here to the living room. This building does have on-site bicycle storage down in the basement. There is an elevator in this building. We also have a parking option with a garage that is 2 blocks away. We're here on Clay at 16th. The parking garage is Clay and 14th. It's called Ace Parking. And if you want more information about that, just let me know. Okay, 1605 Clay, apartment 12. Thanks for watching.